You're spending emotional support?
I don't understand what's wrong with that.
You're not paying him any money.
Spending. I am not.
This one's going to hit hard. We've got a mom who walked out, a dad who's been holding it down with 2 kids, and a courtroom ready to tear it all apart. Mr. Taylor says he's been solo parenting since she moved out, feeding, caring, and carrying all the weight. Now he wants back pay. The twist? She claims she's been doing her part emotionally. Yeah, this is about to get tense.
Paying him.
Rise. Judge Van Court is now in session. This is case number JVB 1014, case of the Taylors.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Mr. Taylor doesn't sugarcoat it. Calmly, he lays it out. She left 2 months ago and never looked back. No money, no help, just silence. He's been raising Emma and Braxton on his own, and he's not asking for favors, just what the law says he's owed. And honestly, he's not wrong.
Sam and I split up a while back, but 2 months ago she moved out and left me with our darling children. I have an 11-year-old named Emma.
Okay.
And my 6-year-old boy is Braxton. And my 2 kids live with me. She's been out of the house for 2 months. I'm seeking 2 months of back child support and child support.
Okay. And why?
Here comes Samantha, dodging the financial bullet. She pulls the "I'm a nurse with crazy hours" card and says the kids stay with her mom sometimes. Oh, and the cherry on top? She says she gives them emotional support. Sweet sentiment, but emotional support doesn't buy clothes, food, or school supplies. The judge's silence says it all.
Obviously, if he's asking for 2 months worth of back pay.
So he's asking for money, but what he's not including is the fact that I'm a nurse. I work intense hours that are very irregular. So we decided it was best if the kids stay in his home since he has a more steady daily schedule. I am living with my mother when the kids have a day off of school or a weekend where I'm available, or any time that they need to be taken care of. They are with me or with my.
Here comes Samantha, dodging the financial bullet. She pulls the "I'm a nurse with crazy hours" card and says the kids stay with her mom sometimes. Oh, and the cherry on top? She says she gives them emotional support. Sweet sentiment, but emotional support doesn't buy clothes, food, or school supplies. The judge's silence says it all.
Daycare, any care like that. And I'm spending the emotional support time with them and also providing for.
Did you really just say that? You're spending emotional support?
I don't understand what's wrong with that.
You're not paying him any money.
Spending. I am not paying him. The children are with me approximately half the time. We don't have a formal agreement on that.
Approximately, but not half the time, right?
No.
Okay. So, you should be paying child support.
Did she really just claim she has them about half the time? Ma'am, this is a courtroom, not a vibe check. You don't skip child support because you might have the kids some weekends. If you weren't counting hours before, you'd better start, because the judge is.
If we want to lay down the hours and really count it out, then we can. I work usually 4 days on, 3 days off, sometimes 3 days on, 2 days off.
Okay.
My schedule is very irregular.
Which means that the children are with him most of the time. So you should be paying child support.
They come to me and my mother's home a lot of the time.
Right. And I get it. However, the law is very straightforward. Whoever the child lives with, the children in this case live with, majority of the time they're going to be considered the custodial parent. And the non-custodial parent has the obligation to pay child support. That's the way that it works. You said you're a nurse. How much money do you make?
Around $80,000 a year.
Let me see. Okay, yeah, I see your check stubs here. And how much do you make?
$125,000 a year.
Okay, do you all split, excuse me?
He's doing fine.
Now we hit the legal truth. The judge spells it out like a school lesson. The parent who physically has the kids most of the time is the custodial parent. That's Dad. End of story. And once Samantha left the house, she left with an unpaid bill, 2 months deep and counting.
$8,000 a year. You're not doing fine?
I am doing fine.
Oh, okay. I mean, so you both are doing well. So those little comments, they're unnecessary. $125,000 a year.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
all share custody like she's saying?
Yeah, they're over there every now and then.
Well, when you say every now and then,
Well, they live with me.
okay.
You know, they live under my roof. I pay their insurance.
Well, that's my question.
Yeah.
They're not with you a full week and then they're with her a full week and you guys are rotating and
No.
everything like that. Then yeah, that really doesn't justify you not paying child support. And yes, you should have given him child support.
Salary time. Samantha makes $80,000. Taylor makes $125,000. And yet she throws shade about him doing fine. Newsflash. Even rich parents pay child support if they're not the primary caregiver. High income doesn't buy you a free pass. The judge shuts that down fast.
Okay, you had the obligation to do that when you were no longer living with the children and you left them to live with him. You owed him child support, so you are going to be paying child support starting today, and you also are going to give him back 2 months worth of back pay. Okay, so based on the documents that you turned in, I have your gross at $80,000 broken down to $6,606. Ooh, it's got tongue tied. It's a lot of sixes. $6,666.67. That brings your net to
Here's where the hammer drops. The judge makes it crystal clear. Once Samantha left without the kids, she became the non-custodial parent. No shared weeks. No 50-50 deal. She dipped, he stayed, and now she's got to pay for that COIC.
$61.81. Make sure, and 2 children, correct?
Yes,
Who carries health insurance?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$208 a month.
208. Okay. So you're also going to be reimbursing that to him every month. Okay. And that coverage is for the children only, right?
Right.
Yeah, you are going to reimburse that to him. Okay. So your child support amount is $1,240.45 plus the 208 for the health insurance, $1,448.40.
Boom. Judgment rendered. Samantha owes child support starting now, and she's paying back those 2 missed months. The judge gives her the math. $666 net weekly income, 2 kids, plus reimbursement for insurance. She wanted exact numbers? Here they are, loud and clear.
And then your back pay, you're just going to pay that out monthly, adding in, I'd say about $50 a month added into that as well. So do you understand that?
Okay, is there a set time that I guess until the back pay is completed?
Yes, when
at
the
whatever
back
rate works.
right. When the back pay is completed, that $50.
The final figure, $1,484 a month, including child support and health insurance reimbursements. You could hear the silence in the room. That's not just a number, that's accountability. The message is simple. Parenting has a cost, and you don't get to skip the invoice.
Will drop off.
Okay.
You know, you can pay the full amount. I mean, if you want to, it's about $2,480. You can pay it in one lump sum if you want to. Pay it out over like $50. $50 really doesn't cover a lot of the interest, but I mean, that's the lowest that it can go.
Oh, yeah, I'm not asking for the monthly amount.
Samantha tries one last question. How long do I have to pay the back pay? The judge doesn't blink. Pay $2,180 now, or pay it over time with interest. Either way, that money's leaving your account.
And that
Okay.
we can take care of it however you decree.
Okay.
Finally, Samantha backs down. She quietly agrees to pay whatever the court decides. No fight, no fuss. Sometimes the only way out is through, and she just learned that the hard way.
You all have any other issues or anything needing addressing today?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And just like that, court is dismissed. No tears. No screaming. Just quiet reckoning. Mr. Taylor walks out with legal validation. Samantha walks out with a bill. And the rest of us? We walk away reminded, emotional support doesn't pay the bills.